guys, welcome to my video. This is Adrianna and well, I'm gonna be reacting to helicopter meme 1 hour. And it looks like it's gonna be a cat joke. Okay, that's funny. Like a flying cat. Oh my god. Oh, I think it repeats. So let's see if there's somewhere. Let's see if there is. Ooh. Let's see this. Oh, come on. Don't remind me as if they're.
Get in the bus! Get in the bus! You can drive it! I'll take the car!
Oh, where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go?
They're coming! Oh, wait.
Want to keep up with the latest beautiful O.B videos?
Well,
Make sure to
okay.
subscribe and ring that bell.
I'm now
Alright,
reacting
O.B, I just started this brand new
to
job.
Here we
to
go
now this is a
again.
small
I'm sure it's going to be
piece
great,
of
bud.
I think you're gonna love it. There's
Well,
so
air
much
is
cool stuff over
small.
here.
Did I get hired too? Did I get hired too?
You
Why am I here?
You? I'm
okay,
gonna give you half my
thank you
paycheck.
for
No
doing this,
way!
O.B.
Look at it right here. Freddy Faznott's Mega Pizzaplex.
That sounds like a totally legit place to work, man. Congratulations on your job.
They don't like when you say it's a knockoff. Don't say
No,
anything,
no,
please.
I will not say anything. I will be on my best behavior. Now, I'm just curious, though. What are you getting paid today? Is it likes of the video, or what you got going on
I'm
here?
getting paid in some big ol' slaps on the video. Like that? Slap that like button.
Oh, okay, yeah. I don't
Yeah.
stop the actual video, though.
No, that'll
Break
wreck
a-
your screen.
Prick a finger here.
all right, well-
You know, am I allowed to bring my own food in there before I go in?
You can. I gave you
Okay,
exclusive
well,
permission.
this is a
Level
reaction
5
that
security clearance.
someone told
Absolutely,
me
as
to
2022 will be
do.
here. I'm a no-nonsense
and
fella, so I
yes,
always abide by the
It
rules
was
now.
one of
Okay,
my
well,
friends.
are you ready to go in for some
Oh,
fun?
yes, sir.
While
Yes,
is
sir. I am.
busy
sadly, we're
with
gonna
her
have a fun today with
siblings,
security.
so
Come on in, look at this
none of her
place. It's
siblings were
so
her
big.
The
parents.
door don't want to let the air conditioner. Whoa!
Yeah, and now I gotta lock the door because we're not open.
Yo,
It's
this
actively-
almost looks 1% as good as the real non-knockoff.
You're gonna get me
Freddy Faz-
fired.
No,
You're
no,
gonna
no.
get me fired. Look over here. We got a ball pit with. Who's that?
Sunny Drop.
See, you know who it is. It's real.
That's true. I know
That's
the
true.
characters. This is real.
See, you can do this, and he won't even care.
Oh. Whoa, we got
Don't do it,
Monty.
don't get too close,
Whoa,
don't do it.
oh, okay, okay.
You gotta stay 7 feet away from these guys.
Oh, for reasons. Okay, yeah.
It's for liability reasons.
What about Roxy? I kind of think Roxy kind of cute, honestly. Can I ask her phone number?
Maybe. Yeah, just don't get too little. You can
I'll
get
do it later. I'll do it later. You know.
Oh, okay,
Yeah. So
okay.
what are we doing here, bud?
Okay, I know I said there's fun, right? But
Yeah.
come back here. This is my security office. This is what we're doing.
Okay, let me see.
Close the door for security reasons.
What, okay.
Yeah.
So
We just watch these.
why? To make
Because
sure-
sometimes we gotta make sure there's no little kids that come in here and, hop in Freddy's suit.
Oh yeah, there's this kid named Gregory. This guy's a little rascal. Yeah, you see him slap the face.
Who?
It's a
Oh.
kid named Gregory. Don't you? Yeah,
Well,
you know. Don't
oh,
worry about it.
this
Don't
is
worry about it.
12 minutes.
Okay,
and,
you watching the
well,
screen? We gotta watch you
almost
nice and
30
tough.
minutes.
Okay, watching this nicely and toughly as I can. Oh,
Wait.
what was that?
What?
It's like they glitched out or something. Wait,
What? Are they dancing?
I think they're switching positions.
Oh, maybe we had them in the wrong spots.
Wait,
Wait.
they're leaving this
Freddy?
thing.
Freddy's the only good one.
What are they doing?
Oh,
Wait.
did you see that?
Wait, hold on. This is popping up pretty quick here. What's happening?
Did you see?
I thought we were watching for children. Why are we?
Oh,
Spy? Wait. Spy?
he's breaking in. He's
Wait,
breaking in.
what kind of security
He's breaking
guard?
in.
What
He's
kind
breaking
of
in.
security guard are you? What are you doing?
I know. They didn't give me a gun. Look at my holster. There's nothing there. It's a radio.
What? All I brought was this pop. They spilled the popcorn.
Throw it away. Throw it over. You missed.
Oh no!
It's
He's throwing a over here. Okay. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? You're the security guard. What do we do?
Oh, I know
What?
just the thing. Watch
Okay.
this.
Yeah.
Okay, Obi, look at this. Ready?
Oh! Wait.
Yeah, we sneak out to the door and escape.
Wait, how do I... Oh, here. Wait.
Grab it.
This
You
one. Okay.
crouch. It's automatic. It's a new...
Am I in it? Do I look good? Can you see? Top of my head?
We might need to get you a little bigger box,
No,
but it should work.
I want this one.
Look up a little bit. I see your eyeballs.
Oh. Yeah, I have a big head.
You
How's
do.
an enormous sized brain?
Yeah, exactly. Well, these are brand new FNAF security protocol tools.
Right.
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. This should totally work.
Get your box, get your box.
Okay.
And then we
Oh.
sneak out like this, and
Okay.
they can't even see us.
Oh my goodness, we're geniuses. Why don't we always do this?
They think we're still in there. Okay.
These guys are
Over here to the door.
stupid.
So over here to the door.
This is very smart.
Oh, I slipped. That was cool.
Okay.
All right. Then, wait.
What? Is it locked?
Wait. Wait.
You gotta hit the button, maybe?
They're locked. They're locked. Both of them totally locked.
Okay, let's go to the ball pen,
Yeah.
and then we can formulate a plan in secret.
Yeah, get behind the pillar there.
Yeah.
Yep. Right. Don't make any noise.
No,
There we
fine.
go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna. There we go.
Okay, what's the plan, bud? What's the plan?
Okay, so I forgot to say that this place,
Yeah.
they block the doors with buses at 12 o'clock.
So,
Yeah.
what time do they open?
It's at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
9
It's a late entrance.
So we have to survive it here till 9 o'clock in the morning?
9 a.m.s.
Okay, we can figure this out. Now, here's what I'm thinking, and hear me out.
Okay.
Lots of bouncy balls. Like, we filled the entire place to the tipping
Just like
top.
this. Watch this. Ready?
Yeah?
Ha! We need balls.
Okay, we need lots of
from
them.
the,
Yeah.
balls from the ceilings.
Okay, so we have to get up to the ceiling?
What if we do like a little? Yeah, let's get to the ceiling.
Okay.
Maybe like climb these shelves. Like,
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
Sense here? Okay, I'm climbing
And
in
then
my
hide
box
every
here.
once in a while.
Yeah, for sure. See this?
Wait. Be quiet.
Quiet.
Wait.
We're just boxes of oranges, ma'am. It works.
Does she see us?
I don't think so. I think she thinks I'm oranges.
Okay, now climb that little scaffolding.
Chico loves pizza, though. I wonder if she likes orange pizza.
Orange pizza. Is that a thing? It's like pepperoni, but orange slices. Okay, here we go. I fell.
Okay. Doing something up here. Okay, I'm on a scaffolding. So now
They're
we
up.
just need bouncy balls.
Yep. Wait, they don't even see us.
We're safe up here. Dude,
Yeah,
why don't we
we're
just stay up here for the next 9 hours or whatever, and we'll be fine?
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Although I didn't eat my midnight snack.
Oh, what?
I left it inside my security office.
I don't know if you buy popcorn, but
That has no nutrition.
what are you talking about? This thing is packed full of butter and nacho dust cheese.
What is in butter? What
fat?
is butter?
Butter is just. I think
Animal fat?
butter is some kind of cow product. It might also be like a porky pig kind of thing. I don't know.
What? Okay, well,
Yeah.
okay, I got an idea.
Okay.
We'll do this. Bring it
Oh
up.
yeah,
Fill it with balls.
like the splash bucket.
Yeah, I gotta push it down a bit. Like, oh my
Oh,
god.
is this too many?
I think that's good. Hold on.
Okay,
We're
then
gonna
dump it.
use-
We're gonna dump it. I think we already dumped it.
I gotta grab the ball sockets.
So what now?
A bouncy ball socket.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open
Play this game. Get free Roblox.
No, we have too many.
Here we go. I'm dumping it.
Hey!
It didn't work. There we
did
go.
it. Okay, that's a good distraction right there.
Yeah, and now we book it. We go.
We go right now.
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay.
I'm going. Oh,
Oh my goodness, you're crazy.
oh no, Monty.
Oh jeez. Oh, I hit my face.
Monty slapped me. Obi, get up and get to the security office. Pull me in there. Hurry. Hey, Monty's coming for you.
Oh, I went too far. Okay, hold on, Spy. I got you, buddy.
Oh. Monty punched you through the wall.
It's cheating.
Grab me.
I got
Grab me.
I got you a little sweet.
I'm so hungry. My
Sweetness.
stomach
Hello.
it is so hungry. Don't look at that.
boy.
That's nothing to worry about.
Oh boy.
The door.
Okay, I got the door.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Okay, yeah, I ordered you this pizza while you were sleeping.
Oh.
Yeah, I had to go to the
Wait, is that meat and not meat?
That's not meat, cheese, sauce. I made it myself using a staff bot.
Ruby,
You're gonna love it. What?
Chica loves not meat sauce pizza.
What? No.
Uh-oh.
I thought Chica was allergic to pizza.
No, she loves pizza.
Oh, I got my facts mixed up. Did you eat it?
I threw it out.
You threw it. We were supposed to eat it though.
What time is it? What time?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't have a
Check
watch.
my cell phone. Let me check my cell phone. Obi,
What?
it's 8:30
Already?
already.
We've been here for 8 hours?
It took us 8 hours to spawn those bouncy balls. Unless
Oh,
my
that's true.
watch might be backwards. Yeah.
Spy? Did you hear that? I think the doors are unlocking.
I hear something. Yeah. It's
look at
totally
this.
not this getting dragged against the ground. We gotta make it out.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh,
Go!
ah!
Go!
Ah!
They
Ah! They got it!
Help me! Help me!
Get me! Spy! Help me!
Come on! Come on!
Okay,
Come on!
I'm awake. Open the door! Stop the door!
Oh, it opened! It opened!
Where's the buses? Go to the bus!
That's
What
the
is
bus.
this?
That's the bus.
Oh my goodness.
Get in the bus! Get in
This
the
one?
bus! You can drive it! I'll take the car!
Oh, where do I go?
They're coming! Oh, wait!
Go right! Sorry! Okay.
I think we lost them.
Oh, the La Grande!
La Grande?
La Grande!
The motel? What if we stay there for the night? Like,
Yeah.
but that's... I got something to worry about.
What?
Moondrop. He's now loose.
Please don't tell me that.
Uh-oh. Hello? Get in!
my
Get in!
goodness, oh my
Get in!
goodness.
Monty's coming! Get in the elevator!
Okay, go. Put it.
That was terrifying.
Oh my goodness, I saw Monty.
We need the barricades, rowers. Okay, let's get to a room. Let's get to a room.
For sure.
Wait, what's that?
Open the door!
Open the door! Don't touch me!
He's toying with us.
Close the door! Close the door! Lock it.
Okay.
We need a barricade. That's a bouncy ball. It'll work.
Yeah, just one bouncy ball.
Wait, does he have balls in his ball pit?
Yeah, she's a bouncy ball master.
He's gonna get lured in.
Oh no. What have I done?
Metal beams. We
That's
never
not gonna
use
work.
metal beams.
That's not gonna work.
Definitely gonna work.
That's not gonna work.
That's 100% gonna work. That looks so sturdy.
We're gonna die.
No.
We're gonna die to a boot drop.
Watch this. We're gonna have one right here.
Oh,
See?
That looks actually very sturdy. Actually, I don't think anything's gonna do that.
No.
I feel like the Hulk would have a hard time.
I think the Hulk could smash through the roof, but he wouldn't because the door's so barricaded.
Yep, he would try to. Yep.
Okay, I just need to go wash my face.
Yeah, well, I need to take a bubble bath. I need to calm down.
Yeah. Don't look away.
What?
Don't. These ones don't like when you look away. Do not do that.
Oh!
Don't do that.
Okay. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
maybe just one more time. Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Look away. Oh! Can you hear him?
I saw a glimpse of him move. He moved from.
Okay, let's go over here.
Why are we doing this?
Okay. Now I'm gonna look away.
I heard it.
Oh! We're not looking. Yeah, we are.
Oh.
All right. You know what? We're just gonna close this.
Well, how about this? Come, follow me. Hold on. Let's open it. Can you open it for me?
Unlock.
please?
There we go.
Okay, now you come in here.
Yeah.
Come past him. Now you stare at him, and I'm gonna get naked and take a bubble bath.
But then I have to look away.
No, stay right there.
I'll go right here.
I need you to look.
I looked away.
Oh, well, so, this will be the... Okay, so guys, if you like this video, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and ring that bell. And leave a comment saying something, and if you want to have a shout out, that won't work, cause, I still don't know how to make shout outs. Well, bye. I'm sorry if I don't give shout outs. It's just, I am new to being a YouTuber, okay?